Wow, what a mess! I have been working on my computer, fixing electric scooter, even stockpiling all these products for upcoming videos. It's definitely time to clean my room. And luckily, I have the best-selling Alfawise vacuum robot. So let's see how it works.
Auto cleaning.
It's a funny little robot, but it's doing a good job. And supposedly it should clean the whole flat too. Here it even makes a little map, but you can't really do anything with that map. Robot has room and spot cleaning functions, but you have to drive the robot to the spot manually yourself.
Fast cleaning.
And if you want the robot to skip some rooms, well, you just close the doors. Now, I did not have many problems with the robot. It seems pretty gentle and does not knock stuff over like the cheaper Xiaomi model like to do. So the robot have finished cleaning. It took 35 minutes to clean 2 rooms or 21 square meters. In comparison, my regular Xiaomi robot cleans the same 2 rooms in half the time. And it takes only 2 passes for Xiaomi robot to clean the area. But the new robot went 4 times over the same area, and this is why it took twice as long to clean 2 rooms. Of course, the most important part are the results, and I really like how the room and the carpet looks. I think the cheaper robot did as fine as a job as my regular, more expensive Xiaomi robot vacuum. So really both robots achieve great results. It's just that the cheaper model takes twice as long to clean the same area, as it takes twice as much runs to achieve similar looking results. And maybe a cheaper model is a bit dumber, so it goes over the same place sometimes for no reason. Like here, robot doesn't even know where the charging station is, so he simply blindly bumps into the wall till he finally arrives at the station. It has collected an impressive amount of dust with just one go. Of course, I did not vacuum my home for a few days, and I have been fixing electric scooters and PCs, so my room was pretty messy. But it seems like the robot has collected the most part of the dust. And by the way, here it shows we can take the filter out, wash it, dry it, and reuse. It even comes with a spare filter and spare brushes too, which is so rare and makes this model even greater value. And of course the price is the main reason why the Alfawise V8S PRO model is the best-selling vacuum robot at GearBest. It is cheaper than even the cheapest Xiaomi robot vacuum, and yet does as good as the job. Maybe it takes a little bit longer to vacuum same room, but the results are as impressive. So you can find both product links in the video description below. And thanks for watching, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in next one.